Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video for my YouTube channel, and in this channel you guys gonna see some Java programs and JavaScript programs, and actually many programs in many programming languages. I'm gonna start from the easier to harder. Okay, let's start with the easier one here, right? So for this video, we're gonna make the program that calculates the slope of a line, midpoint of a line, and distance between 2 points. When you receive the inputs from user, display them before start calculation. Okay, so for the line, what we need the 2 points, right? 2 points, and for each point we will need a x value and y value. So right, this is how things go. Okay. Alright, let's start. So this is the first point thing. Let's ask the user, right? So point, well actually let's recording point P. Okay, and for point P, ask the user, enter x value. Okay, and double, let's say this is variable x1 equals the next dot scan dot next double. Okay, so here you can see the warning because why? So we didn't import the oh well, actually I didn't create the scanner class. Scan dot new scanner system dot in, right? And still here some warning, so we have to import the Java to scanner. Okay, to make the video easier and quicker, I will just copy and paste some values. For example, this guy here. Enter my value, and then okay, same thing here. Instead of x1, we will say y1, right? Again and again. So this was the point for the point P, and now this is for point Q. Okay, enter x value, enter y value. So this is now x2, and this is now y2. So okay, we receive all those information from the user. Now before the calculation, let's calculate them. So if you do that with the parent line, that's not gonna be efficient, right? Because there are many double values and string values. This is not a good way. So let's make it with printf, right? Printf. So the line connected by P point. What was the coordinates for P points? And if you guys want to display the decimal point, just one decimal point, this is how we do a percentage and 1f, comma, and percentage dot 1f, and sorry, and q 1f, and again 1f, right? Okay, that's it. And x1, y1, x2, and y2. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, this is how we display the in the printf method. So each one goes each value here. Okay. So now let's calculate the slope for a line. So double slope equals the. Do you guys know the formula for the slope of a line? So if you don't, here I took a screenshot. So for slope of this line, so y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, this is how we calculate the slope of a line. All right. Okay, let's make it quick. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That's it. Okay, this is what your slope is, and then let's calculate it again with the printf actually. Okay, has a slope of let's make it 2 decimal point. Okay, slope. All right, so we don't need actually this here. Okay, so after the slope, let's calculate the midpoint. Okay, for let me show you formula for the midpoint. This is the formula for the midpoint. Okay, at both x coordinates and divided by 2, at both y coordinates divided by 2. So this is what your midpoint is for the line. Okay, let's go ahead. Double m1 equals x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Double m2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That's it. So this is what your midpoint is, and let's display it. Okay. So we can make it with as midpoint of let's make like that m1 and m1, and let's put a comma here. So again, I just want to make the display like the output more beautiful. I don't want to make it complicated. So okay, m2 okay, where's my here? Okay, yeah, that's it. Just midpoint of m1, comma, here's space m2. Okay, yeah, that's it. Right, now let's calculate the distance between 2 points. This is a distance formula. Square root x2 minus x1 power of 2 and y2 minus y1 power of 2. Okay, let's code it. So double distance. I hope you guys know how to sqrt math.pro x2 minus x1 2, right? And again math.pro y2 minus y1 comma and power of 2, right? And semicolon. Okay, and last thing, let's display it. Okay, the distance between P and Q is you guys want 1 decimal point or 2 decimal point? Let's make it 2 decimal point. Percentage dot 2f. Okay. Comma distance. You can also display it with the parent line easier, right? Just put a plus here. Anyway, okay, yeah, that's it. What we did here, just we asked the user enter the values for 2 points for each x value and y value and x and y value. So yeah, we have variables. All of them is double because we cannot receive integer or string, right? And first we display the points with the printf, and then calculate the slope and then display the slope. After that we calculate the midpoint and then display the midpoint here. Finally we calculate the distance between 2 points and display it. That's it, guys. So let's check it. Let's calculate the let's start the program. What is it saying? Okay, enter x value 4 point P 5. Okay, y value 7, x value 9, y value 8. Let's see. The line connected by for P point 5.5 and 7 and Q is 9.0 and 8.0 has a slope of the 0.25 as midpoint of 7.0 7.5. This is the midpoint, and the distance between P and Q is 4.12. yeah, that's it. I know, like that can start in the new line because that doesn't look good, right? So for that, like after here, so we can put a print line here, empty print line, and also empty print line here. So with that you can display it in the new line, or we can put a /n in a printf, so it's also displayed in a new line. Okay guys, that's it. See you guys in next video. Yeah, take care.